Hello friends. Today we'll be discussing about how to establish a daily routine. But before we begin, we need to just make a mindset shift. We need to follow our heart and decide a few things for ourselves. What are those few things? Well, you need to ask yourself few questions. What does your heart actually want? What is your biggest motivation? This is essential because motivation helps you with action. So you should try to uncover not just your conscious but even your unconscious motivations. Now you'll ask, what are conscious and unconscious motivations? See, conscious motivations are general and simple. For instance, okay, I want freedom. This is a conscious motivation. Okay, I'm tired of being poor. I need to do something. This is another example of a conscious motivation to start doing things. Unconscious motivations, however, are sneaky and can be healing and regenerative or destructive at the same time. These motivations will help you push the envelope and take action and stay strong even during a crisis. So, once you have made this mindset shift and identified what your goals and objectives are, let us work at establishing a daily routine. So, the first thing is to re evaluate your priorities. What do you want to focus on? What is truly important to you right now? What unhealthy habits do you need to get rid of? These questions are very important to re-evaluate your priorities. The next step is to create a routine. You need to acknowledge that an unhealthy habit or way of thinking will be challenging to get rid of. Then you need to set realistic goals to counter those behaviors. Start small and celebrate your small victories along the way. This is important. Why? Because it will instill a sense of accomplishment. Also, keep reminding yourselves of these goals every day. Write them out and allow space for self reflection. And the last step is again self reflection. Do the work every day towards who and what you want to be. When you feel overwhelmed and face mental resistance, be kind to yourself. And why I say you will face mental resistance is because you will. It's inevitable. It's how you respond to it that matters. The key word here is response. You should not react but respond. And as I said, be kind to yourself. Reflect on daily progress and are your goals achievable or do they need some tweaking? This is also something that you need to keep in mind. Once all this is done, establishing a daily routine is very simple. So, to summarize, we went through three steps. First was to reevaluate your priorities, second was to create a routine, and third was self reflection and seeing if there are some goals which require tweaking. Once you have the right mindset in place, once you have proper goals set for yourself, daily routine is an automatic outcome. You just need to follow this process religiously and diligently for the next 21 days. Subsequently, it will become a part of your system. If you found this video useful, do hit the like button, share this with as many friends and family members as possible, and subscribe this channel. Also visit the description box below and connect with me on other social media platforms for more such insightful content.